Oh. What's up? Welcome to Working with Woody. We're still working on the interior of the 99 Tahoe. I'm going to be doing door panels. I'm going to replace speakers, the switches, courtesy light, and then try to figure out why the door is really hard to open. On this door, replace the exterior door handle because it's cracked. So we're going to see if we can pop this thing off of here and start changing parts. Start with these switches here. Just pop them up. Yeah, as you can see here, there seems to be a very important part of the speaker missing. So we'll get that going. I'm going to pull the door handle off and see what the whole linkage is, and then I guess I got to pull this whole metal piece off to get to the exterior door handle. So I hooked everything back up, got the window down. Now I guess we'll unhook everything again. Oh, slide it out. Yay, so easy. I guess I'll watch another video on the next step on how to get the damn door handle out now that we got all this disconnected. All right, I got the door handle out. There's a few little clips in there, and this whole thing comes out. So then I got to get this rod off of this one and get the lock cylinder out to swap over the new one. You can see this one's busted here. So I had bought this $10 handle, and it's plastic, and it has these little brass nut inserts, and of course the one on this side pulled out, and so this is garbage. So I bought an all metal one, and so we're going to put that in, and then we should just be able to get everything on the door put back together. All right, I got a new switch I'm going to swap over. Well, not like that. We'll just push on it. Yeah, so the switches kind of feel like they're hitting the plastic. That's not good. So I'm in the garage and I sanded like everything, test fitted a couple times. The switches seem to be very clicky. And then while I was in there, I put a little hot glue around the edges of this tweeter to keep it from dancing around. Alrighty, well I got the tweeter all wired in, and then the 6.5 inch round one wired in, some high quality self tappers. I think these little clips will hold it. Maybe. We'll try it and then go from there. Whew. Two. Oh. Okay. So apparently, since it didn't have a motor on there, this thing is very spring-loaded. And it hit me in the face. Ouch, and I'm bleeding. Yeah, so that was unforeseen. And now my head hurts. And I have a giant wound next to my eye. Luckily, it didn't hit me in the eye. Yeah. To the face. All right, well, what are you gonna do? Figure out how to get this regulator off of here, I guess. We got the new one here. Guess we'll find some bolts to put it on. We got some 1/4 inch bolts, 3/4 inches long. I guess some Loctite. All right, so we're gonna work on getting this hinge pin out. You gotta get that little ring off the top, take the spring out, and then same with the bottom one, there's a little ring on there, and then the pins just come out, and you can see like this this one we'll have to cut off, and the whole little kit, you know, comes with all new bushings and everything. So we'll get to figuring on this. All right, so I got the wires disconnected. I had to pull this piece to pull this piece. There's 3 plugs and they pull right out. So that was nice. Oh, that's kind of heavy. There she goes. This has seen better days. So let me go find that kit. Damn. Damn. I mean, all right, so that bottomed out. I mean, what do you get for like $15, really? This is really heavy. So I guess I put all the bushings in upside down. So smart. Ugh, it's heavy. All right, I hadn't been filming, but I changed out the door handle because it was cracked. Changed out the latch. New handle here, new window regulator, and it works pretty well. I mean, the good news is it doesn't work. I left the key on too long, it killed the battery. Works like a charm when you have battery juice go into it. Genius. Alrighty, that's where we'll wrap up this video. We've gone through the doors inside and out, which was quite the chore. Door hinge pins, handles on the outside, latches, speakers, switches. So glad to be done with that. Next up, we got the stereo, backup camera coming, and then hopefully we'll move on to the outside. So stick around. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.